TrackerBot now includes a Chrome extension to sync your Amazon buyer account. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to install it and set it up. Amazon stopped showing the tracking numbers of your orders in your public page. If you use Amazon as a supplier, you need to install the TrackerBot extension. Once installed, TrackerBot can both upload your Amazon trackings as well as convert them to Bluecare Express. You should install the Chrome extension on the browser where you log into Amazon. If you have multiple Amazon accounts, log in each in a different Chrome user and set up the extension for each one. First, open the link below or go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for TrackerBot. Click on TrackerBot v2 and click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension and you're done with the installation. Now, open the extension. Enable the Amazon checker and select the marketplace, in this case, Amazon.com. TrackerBot detects your Amazon account and shows you if it's active or you need to log in. That's it, you're done. You can now go back to TrackerBot, open Profile, under Account, you can see your live Amazon account. You need to always keep the browser open with your extension so that it can sync with your Amazon account. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to our live support in the bottom right corner.